Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon. And if you want to change the screen brightness, tap on this icon. It will bring you to this menu. Now tap on this A icon. If it's highlighted, if it's blue, tap on it to disable the auto brightness. Because if the auto brightness is enabled and you set the brightness to some level, it will basically change it automatically, because the watch will adjust the brightness according to the lighting around it. So disable the auto brightness, and then you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. Another way to change the screen brightness on this watch is to use the phone application if your watch if your watch is paired with a phone. So if we bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera like this, so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Now on the phone that is paired with our watch, open the Zap app. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on profile, select your Amazfit GTR 2E from the list of my devices. Here tap on the device settings option, and here select the display and brightness. Disable the auto brightness if it's enabled, and then you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. I don't know if it's gonna be visible, but it should be that if you change the brightness on the slider, it will change on the watch. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and then you can close the application. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.